Hi guys, what's up? What's up? I hope you're good. We're a second session. This is our second session of trading for the day. Our first session we made $20, and this is our second session. We also targeting another $20. Yeah. Analysis say we be launching a robot trading robot now. This is volatility indices trading. It is one of the easiest type of trading outside there because we are using a robot and the robot is doing almost everything for you. Nti, uh, it is easy to make money in dollars with this. Nti, let us just launch our robot and make our daily $20 profit. Okay, we are done. Our trade took 10 minutes, 10 minutes to make $20. So it's okay. We actually made it. It's me. So we end our trade over here for the day. And don't hesitate. Say if this is something you would like to do to be earning in dollars also, you can also reach me out and we see how you can get the robot and I will take you through and you can also start trading. So guys, bye bye, see you, ciao.